Doing my CRC there?
Lubricating the manifold here.
Hey, wipe that off. You want the manifold to fall off? Dumbasses.
Oh, yeah.
What's your name? Dumbass.
Dumbass. That's my name.
Fred's got shoes on.
Fred's got shoes on.
You're in charge, Fred. Here, Fred motor, Mario motor. See, Fred's been lagging. Mario's almost done.
Yeah. Still nice though.
Okay, so you want to know, what was your question you had a few minutes ago?
How do I get this manifold on there?
You asked something about this.
Oh yeah, the clamps.
Rubber bands. You're getting them on the wrong side, dummy.
See how they're hitting on a cylinder right here?
Yeah.
That means it's just being pushed off, so that means it won't stay on. You have to put them where they're not going to be in the way. Okay, so right there is a good spot, so you have bad access.
Okay.
So it'll be fine for you.
Thanks.
Why don't you go on the other side?
Throttle cable might get in the way too.
Okay, so you don't do that?
Now this is going to be the manifold you're going to use.
Yes.
So throttle cable might be all right because see it's a McKinney. Now if you ground that lip off right there before you put the motor together, we could have put the clamps on like this. We had more access to them. But you didn't do that.
Well,
What about the other way around?
Yeah, what about that?
So we're going to go this direction here. You can only go up this high. See the lip there?
Uh-huh.
And then this one here has to go on the other side. So what you do is you put one high and one low. So this one here goes high and this one goes low. And you come up from the back side over there.
Ah, okay.
Okay, I got to get some tools over here.
You're such a tool. Such a tool. You're such a tool.
So we
back so he can't move the motor for you.
I got.
look at that, nice and ported.
So,
And my back hurts too, so I can't move the motor.
I can move it over because I'm kind of healthy, I guess.
You kind of help.
Oh.
Oh, he's been Hey, don't hit my.
You're my way, Fred.
Mess with my
You
stuff.
need some tools.
I got a set of these too.
I got some too.
Pretty cool. SK ones.
My piece that goes in the middle.
Piece that go in the middle.
Got it. What do I do with the piece that goes in the middle, Fred?
I mean, the extension is still in the box.
Steal it over here.
Still in the
The
box.
the
big
extension.
The long
I need a
extension.
piece that goes in the middle.
You got the longest one.
Now you pull it back so you can see a lot of complaints about your
filming?
Oh my God! I'll stand back here now. Can you see my feet from all the way up there?
No, can't see
All right,
anything
wait a
back
second. Can't see them around my beer belly.
We'll have a good beer night.
Beer and cigars.
Okay.
That's pretty successful. We had like 15 people show up.
Beer and what?
Beer and cigars, man. First Friday every month.
Where?
I can't tell you because Tatro will be pissed if you come to my beer and cigars instead of showing up here
That's right.
at the Hoppers in La Mesa.
Top secret location.
Top secret location. Oh, Hoppers in La Mesa.
Yeah, Hoppers in La Mesa. Okay, great.
Good.
Right.
Oh, I got a clean rag today? Oh, wow.
These are imported from Hong Kong.
Oh, nice.
Well, no, wait a second. That's got to be U.S. made.
Imported from Hong Kong.
Yeah, come from Hong Kong. Got an Evo motor attached to them.
Oh, okay.
Did you already tighten this down?
I did tighten it down.
Are they really tight?
Oh, look, they do say shit on it.
Are they Tatro type? I bet they're not Tatro type. It might be Mario weak.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, pretty good. Okay, now I gotta show this. Okay, so he did some
Oh, how
port
close do you
matching
want me to show this?
so you can actually see what we're looking at. So this is a stock Harley manifold with a McKinney adapter to run a McKinney on it. A little round slide where we went with it. So he ported it out like you did on yours.
Mm-hmm.
And then this here adapter didn't match up very well, so we had to go in and port that too. So see how it all flows around now?
Yep.
Of course the air goes this direction.
Yep.
So now it opens it, it makes it flow better. So it's like a Venturi going through here now. So now it flows right around the ear like it's supposed to.
Perfect.
So everything's ported equally. Okay, where's your donkey dick porting tool at?
Back up.
Nose picker.
Nose picker.
Nose picker.
All right, let me see.
Somebody referred to that as a. Well, that's a
A prison shank?
no. That's a radiator hose tool, but then somebody else referred to it as a cotter pin removal tool.
Actually, cotter pin's shorter and heavier duty and doesn't bend like this one does.
Right.
See, this one
Okay.
bends
So
when you
cotter
do it.
pin.
That one disappeared about 20-something years ago. I haven't found that one yet. I'm still looking for that one.
Someone stole it. It's clearly in this.
No, I never made this room. It was in a different place. It got lost in Nashville City.
Oh, wow.
That's, you mean at,
So,
formerly known as something cycle
yeah, that's the guy. Okay,
on
here's the
8th
rubber.
Street.
Here's the rubber. No, that's not the right place. Okay, you gotta take the clamp on here. Now you need a long extension, but only because it's hard to get to.
Ooh, long extension.
So you come down through here.
Studley looking. Am I far enough back? I don't know.
Can you see my hand working?
Who's on first? What's on second? And I don't frickin' know on third.
Where's your rubber at?
No one there.
Where's rubber? Rubber dubber dubber.
Okay, this goes in here
Rubber dubber dub.
like this.
Can I look from the top?
Need a nose picker.
Pick nose.
Ah.
Pick nose. Make that thing fit.
Nose picker. Center it up.
You're missing something. Yeah, was it
Did I
clamp?
put it on upside down?
Bracket? Yeah.
The numbers up? Yeah, numbers are up. What? What am I missing?
Where's the bracket?
What bracket?
The other bracket.
Clamp.
The clamp.
Just a clamp, not a bracket, Fred.
Sorry.
It's a technical phrase.
Got a cramp. I got a cramp.
A cramp is not the same as a clamp. That's a
I
different
got a
thing.
cramp.
Too much beer?
Oh.
Or did somebody shove the cigar in the wrong
If you knew,
spot?
if you knew what kind of pain I was in. And not from the cigar.
Bill
but-
Clinton move, huh?
Guess we can say that because old Bill's not around.
I don't
Bill
care.
Clinton.
He's still alive.
He's still around.
Him and Monica.
He's still getting it on. Well, I'm sure he's getting on something besides Hillary, but
Okay, so that's... Okay, now...
So can you
see my
did you figure
fingers?
that
See
out,
the oil?
Mario?
See the oil on my fingers?
Did you figure that out, Mario?
I did.
What'd you
Figured
figure
that all
out?
out.
What'd you figure out?
That you needed a special nose picker tool. And I'm doing it all backwards and shitty.
Well, that's all right. You can watch the video now how to do it.
Yeah.
Won't it be done?
Now these
So
are the
you won't
heavy
have to do
duty.
it?
These are the heavy duty stainless steel clamps, but they only work when you got the intake and heads lined up close to where they're supposed to be. Now this one's all the way against the edge up here. See, it's hitting up
Yeah.
here in the background.
Yeah.
See, it's hitting over there. So we go ahead and tighten this one up a little bit. Okay, then we go around this way. And see, that one's lower. See how you got to come down like this?
Yeah.
See how it just clears this one? If you try to do it some other way, it doesn't really work very well. Okay, I don't have a lot of close in there, just a little bit.
And line up to make sure that's
Where's
level.
my hammer at for it? There. Got
Need
my
that
hammer.
level.
Make sure it's in there all the way.
Why am I looking at the ceiling?
What are you looking at?
I was looking at the ceiling. I don't know why.
You didn't see me go like this and beat on his manifold?
Oh, now you can see that.
Heaven forbid if somebody has to beat on it with a hammer.
I'm not sure that we missed it.
Where's your straight edge at, Fred?
Straight edge. It's in the drawer.
Just a real truing straight edge. I think we got a problem though. See, it's
Too
this is
long.
in the way. So you have to come off that surface. Okay, is that square, Fred?
No.
Square this surface. Fred, you're looking here. So you have to be
What's
s- parallel to this surface.
Yeah, it looks like it's leaning.
It's
back
leaning
a
tower Pisa.
It looks like it's leaning back a little bit.
A little bit. A little more. Say when.
Yes.
That's
Mario, move your fat ass. I mean,
Yeah, my fat head.
Head.
fat head in the way.
It's
That looks level up and straight, like up and down.
That's your call, man. It's your bike.
You can go like this.
It's your bike.
Do you look the same?
That looks good.
You can live with this?
Yeah, I can do that.
Oh, sure now.
Yeah, man. It's just a bike, yeah. I mean,
Ooh, don't go there.
Okay, now you go back over here and you start cramming down the actual tool here. Oh, that has an L on it for the left side. We got it on the right side.
Oh, what a shame.
Oh, we got two the same though. This one has an L on it too.
it's for loser.
Oh, okay. That's okay then.
Yeah.
Put in Walker's bike.
Yeah.
Walker, you watching this?
Yeah. Probably not. No, I'm playing
suck.
video games.
You suck, man.
Okay, you tighten these up a little bit. See about that much. Now see these clamps you can tighten up pretty good, unlike the stock ones. There. Okay, so that goes there. Where's your carbonator at?
To the left.
Special air cleaner.
Yeah. Put that in there.
Not very good volume there, or flow.
It's high flow. Just goes under like that.
Oh, I feel better now.
You gotta make sure you clear your gas tank when you go up. That's the problem. Oh, it fell off. It might not be tight enough. Okay, what are you gonna do tightening these up?
Hang on a second. Let me go around. Get away, Murray.
Yeah, I'm just in the way.
Get out of the second. Alright, we're here. Got a good view.
I usually gotta do this before you put the carburetor on, or the
Sure,
manifold
the good
adapter
order.
on. So you gotta put the clamps over here, so when you go over here with your finger, you don't catch the clamp and take your nails off. You'd like doing that though.
Absolutely.
If you ain't bleeding, you ain't having.
Yeah.
We don't have access to this, so we have to take the motor apart.
No.
No?
No.
Need some sockets down there.
Yeah.
How about a very small
Over there.
socket? Like right here.
Oh.
Fred's motor's hiding them.
Yeah.
A cool freaking motor.
If it's a Harley. If it ain't broke, it's about to be. You know what I mean? So.
I barely got these broken in. I've only had them for 30-something years.
Yeah.
Probably
SKs.
40. No, I've had them for actually for over 40 years.
Do
now.
a shorty.
These
Why
are
you
the
doing-
SK
why you doing
tool.
extension? Do a shorty, man. Well, that one's okay. Well, I'm good with that.
You're good with that?
I'm good with that.
Okay.
The other one,
I'm certainly glad that Fred is okay with this.
you could have put a U-joint on that thing. And you get right in there with a short socket. But we won't do that.
What do I need to do that for, Fred?
I don't have a clue.
What do I got to do that for?
Now, should I put the clamp on square or just leave it like half-assed like Rory would do it?
You probably would not.
Right, so it's not on square because you try to... Well, now he squared it up. Nope. Ain't it.
It's not square because I'm torquing it because it's a tight socket. But I'm also binding it up too, but it's getting worse as I'm going.
You know, I'm getting really self-conscious about my motor. You know what I mean? This guy is just telling me how bad it is and how unsquare it is, binding up everything.
Well, if it's a real motor, it'd be like that one over there on the shelf.
This one?
Yeah, the good one.
Very good one.
Same shit.
Different day.
It's a lot different motor. You know, this one here we
How
have
is
a
it
problem.
different?
We have a problem here. It's got a
You got...
fitting issue.
Oh,
Choker's in the way.
so you have to move that... Why did you put them on the top? Why didn't you put them on the bottom? Flip them over.
I
They're,
can do that.
they're in the damn way.
I like them up on top where I can get to them.
Well, if you put them on the bottom, you got like twice as much damn room.
I can't get to it from there.
You could from this side. I could drive a truck through there.
Go through here maybe.
That's
You happy-
okay.
You happy, Fred?
That's fine, whatever.
Where's your universal socket with a...
Yeah, U-joints like that right there with the black
930.
tape.
If anyone wants to know, this is a Daytona Special
Okay, good.
SK Tools 21 piece.
Check out that haircut.
Oh.
Oh, you broke it.
19,
Yep. Well, I don't know, 19 whatever. Someone probably knows.
1968 version.
Let's see here.
No, I didn't get this in 1968. 78 maybe. I'm thinking more like 76.
It wasn't yours, it was your dad's.
No, it was mine.
Back when
He bought it for me. It was my tools. These are my first tools.
your first tools.
Oh, instead of getting a little...
Do you have do you have your
Instead of
first
getting Matchbox set, he got a fucking...
tool? Yeah,
he got a socket set.
I didn't get Hot Wheels. I had to build my own.
Yeah.
Yeah. Instead of a set of Hot Wheels, he got a set of SK tools.
SK Tools.
So build your own crap, man.
That's how I got my bike. I had to build it.
All right.
Do that. Now, after it warms up a couple times, you'll have to work on it. So I use French special.
That's a pretty good
Taped
idea.
up
Putting
universal
tape on there.
socket.
It does two things. It doesn't scratch and it doesn't flop around.
So how many years did he not have that and it was just scratching the shit out of it? Seems like?
No, he's had that forever.
I've had my sockets for a lot of years.
His
I'm just
his
breaking them
Matchbox.
in now.
They're just good.
They're just getting broken in.
Nice.
Kind of like Fred.